Hey guys, welcome back to another helpful video of Quick Guide, and in this video I am going to show you how to enter in a new line into the Slack application. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to enter in a new line, you just simply have to open your Slack application at first, and then after opening the Slack application, this home page will appear. Now you just simply have to open any of the channel and open this message section into there. Now you just simply have to type anything that you want to send as message, and now to enter in a new line you just simply have to hold the shift key and tap into enter key into your keyboard. Then after that you can easily shift into the new line as many times as you want. By following this very easy step, you can easily enter into the new line into your Slack application into your desktop. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.